the brakes. Oh, look at these shiny bits. Oh, brand new. No wonder it pulls to the left so bad, because he died of the alignment, did he? Oh, what's this? Oh. Oh, that's nice. That might be brake fluid from the clutch that they kept bleeding. I've got a bit of confession to make. I put it on the ramp last night when I got it, and I sprayed everything with WD-40. So it does look a little bit better, even though it maybe looked terrible. But you see, it wasn't glowing brown with rust this morning, whereas yesterday it was. We have a disc on the back. Ooh. Oh, look, handbrake line. Oh, I didn't see. Ooh, so we've got a pair of handbrake cables, brand new. Nice. So it doesn't have a diff or anything like that? I don't know anything about Hondas. Nothing. I just know I like them. And I like the way they look. And I like when the VTEC changes over. I don't have any initial plans, except for make it look good. And I'm going to inspect the sills. That's my next stop. I'm going to take the skirts off with these amazing wood screws. Look at that. Is that OEM? Let me know. I don't know in the comments. It doesn't look OEM. Oh, I'm missing a mud flap. Oh, that was a bit of a novice move there. Why would I have a mud flap at the front of the wheel? Caught me out there, don't you? 185 6014. Some big boys. Okay, let's have a look. Let's get the skirts off and have a look. Let's have a look. Well, if the screw they've put in after they did the welding is anything to go from, I think we're fucked here. God damn. Oh, and this one's a posi. Okay, let's get that one. There was one wood screw, which is probably not on your car. And then there was a bunch of these clips, which actually should be on the car. That's pretty cool to know. And then I took the mud flap off, which was 4 of these. And then I add a bit of a wiggle. Oh. Jesus Christ. Oh, whoa. At least the plastic's not rusty. Oh, I don't want to whip that too hard. Not today, anyway. Oh, what's that? Oh, it's gone. This repair is beautiful. I'd say it's like dog hair. no.
No, I no can clean. Shit.
Oh. Let's be honest, there's no point trying because I could put masking tape on it and it'd be better than what the welding is. Oh. The inner skin looks pretty good. Oh, savage. I knew it really needed rear arches and also it's going to need the end of the sill as well. I'm not going to challenge that. This is just like an overall look of the car. I'm going to rip the other side off now, same again, and we'll have a look. What's that? Oh! 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 What's this? Oh! Let's have a look on the date. Oh my God! Saturday, the 23rd of May, 2020. It's just getting better. I need to sit down. I don't know what to say. It's truly and utterly amazing. How is it even possible to people be that rough? And to think this has got 11 months MOT. But I think the MOT, actually, I'm not going to show you the paperwork. Pass MOT on the 23rd. Day of test, 23rd of the 5th, January, February, March, April, May. So the newspaper in the sill was the 23rd of May. And the MOT passed on the 22nd of May. So that repair, if you can call it that, was done the day after the MOT. So it passed an MOT with this hole, which is right next to the rear trailing arm bush. And I'm not an MOT tester, but I'm relatively sure that you can't have corrosion within 12 inches or a foot or 30 centimetres, whatever the spec, away from a suspension mounting point. And that rot is around about 2 inches away from the mount of the rear trailing arm bush. You know, the rust is neither here or there. I can fix that. But the fact that this shit passed an MOT the day before that bodge was done is ridiculous. Stay safe. So I thought you'd like this. Well, I had more of a tap around. So we found the filler, found the rot, found the newspaper, and now I've found tinfoil. I'm not sure what the tinfoil's for, but I'm pretty sure it's to hold the shape for the filler on top. And I'm going to insert juice box, boys, right about here.
How are you getting on, lad? Fucking pockets are not grand, lad.
Barry, please come and help me. So I decided to start taking all the arch liners off. I'm going to take the bumpers off, I might take the fenders off, and then I'm going to roll it outside and blast everything. Try and get as much stuff off as I can with the patio cleaner. So I'm just undoing these little screws in the arches. There's one here, 3 or 4 over the top, one at the front, one there. Sleepy's turned up. He's had a nice new exhaust on. Nice little addition. Shezzy done it. Another lovely job. Thank you very much. But yeah, I've decided to give a nice clean. Jet wash as much of the rust and the crap off as I can to see exactly what we're dealing with. Overall, it's not a massively bad shell. It's just what's been done is really badly repaired. So this bit's no good. This bit and inside there, and there's a bit under there that also needs doing. But all that's lovely. That wing is obviously terrible. But we have that spare Kawasaki green one, which will be lovely. I give the bay a bit of a wash and a clean. Managed to jet wash some of the crap off, because you can still see it's really thick of grease. But at least now every time we touch it we're not going to get covered in shit. So plan is now I'm going to jet wash the bumpers, jet wash the side skirt, servicing the engine, getting the engine up to scratch. I've got no clutch pedal at all now, so that definitely is number 1 on the priority list. We need to make sure the car's driving at all times until I start cutting it up. But that's more than likely going to be it today. I hope you've enjoyed the Civic introduction, and hopefully there's good things to come. It's been fun. It's brought back some memories messing with the old Honda, and I've enjoyed it. Even though there's been some massive setbacks with how bad the repairs are, but hey, you got to be in it to win it, as I say. If you're looking forward to the build, give it a like, and I'll try and keep some more content coming, as well as the S15 and as well as the other bits and bobs I'm doing. I'll try and keep on top of the Civic as well with you. I'll see you soon. Bye.